got me effing and this and that on camera. That's really good.
What, me?
Yeah.
I can cut that.
Beep that out. Beep, because my kids might hear it. Beep.
They love you just the same.
They do. They've heard it before, I'm sure. Not for me.
Pepsi guy working on an air conditioner.
I have to say, I don't really like Pepsi, but I do like that glass bottle Pepsi. That's a good Pepsi. Just like that glass bottle Coke. That's a good, you know, the Mexican Coke or whatever.
Mexican Pepsi.
Anything that's friggin' in glass is better to me. You want something to drink, Jason? I got some Burners ginger ale in there. I got Dr. Nuff's.
Maybe. I got some in the truck.
I got water.
Got some old Charter.
I'm good at it.
He's got some black. What is that?
Special. Private. That's the bottle still in my trunk. I got back too late.
I believe him.
You leaving tonight or you leaving in the morning?
All depends what goes on today.
Wait and leave in the morning. Get a little bit of sleep before you leave. Make the drive a whole lot easier. Leave real early in the morning. Miss traffic.
I'll get him up at 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'll get him through the Bristol traffic.
Yep.
4 a.m. Well, no kidding, it would.
I probably should have took the bolt loose on the getting to fish. Probably should have cracked that before I took the bolts out.
Driving at night's not too bad. I like driving at night. I say too. But that's me. If I go anywhere, I'd just soon drive at night as I would in the daytime. But
We'll not be reusing them, but just to get them out of the way. The dryer will be replaced on this system, so.
okay.
Some
I used to drive to the
Some of
beach.
these compressors have different bolts front and back, but I think this one's square.
I used to drive to the beach at night. You gotta leave it.
I'd rather drive it. There's less traffic.
I would too. And I can get me some coffee, man. I'm wide awake. Of course, he don't drink caffeine.
Ah.
He's a decaf.
High pressure switch. Forgot it. It's
Oops.
cool though.
He's a decaf man.
One dead compressor. Compressor is dead.
So
Compressor works fine. Problem is with these compressors is they're put together. This is a separate piece, a separate piece, a separate piece, and a separate piece.
So that's 4.
Need I say more? 1 seam, 2 seams, 3 seams, plus front seal. Front seals are prone to go in these, but this one is, we verified the leak, but it is very obvious
Holy heck.
leaking. Yes.
And this is where you take it apart if you want to rebuild it.
No. That's a overpressure blowout valve.
Okay.
That'll blow, and that is.
You ever rebuilt one of them?
You can't. You can't get the seals for them. I've took them apart, but
Isn't that still laying in your carport?
I don't know. Checking this clutch. Sometimes you can get them cheaper with a clutch. Sometimes you can't. I'd put a new clutch onto this one. So
200 and some.
You want me to go
1,000?
call O'Reilly's and price? Tell me what I need to price, and I'll call them.
that clutch is very eat up. So you need a clutch too.
One with the clutch.
Yeah. We'll look as soon as Nick gets done making the video mode. Cut that damn thing off.